In this video, I'm going to review Larry Benedict's Skim trade blueprint, which is his exact blueprint of how he trades options. So if you're interested learning more about how Larry places his trades and basically his trading strategy, stay and watch this video. Also, in the video, I'm going to, walk you through the members area, show you how Larry's system works, kind of what you get. I'm going to show you how the trade alerts come, kind of explain, sort of profit potential per trade on average. Just show you around, give you my experience of it. So if you do want to join, you can do. Now, if you want to join at any point during the video, there'll be a link in the comment description below where you can join Larry Benedict's one ticker trader for only $19. And that will lock your membership in for 1 year. Plus, you get a 30-day money-back guarantee and you get all of his special reports for free. So if you want to join, link in the comment and description below. Okay, so let's get on with the video. So, like I said, this is Larry's Skim trade blueprint, which is basically his blueprint of how he identifies his options trades. Now, if you don't know, Larry's trading strategy is options trading. I'll just explain this very, very quickly because I don't want to go deep because, it's out of the scope of this video. What Larry does is he uses options to profit from a stock price either moving up or moving down. And he uses two options to do that. He buys calls options if a stock is going up, and if a stock is going down, he buys a put option. And by doing that, he can profit from the price of a stock going above a certain price or going below a certain price. And that is basically how Larry's trading strategy works. And to place the trades, if you can follow his instructions, it will take you less than a minute to place the trade, and you just basically follow his instructions, buy when he says and sell when he says, and collect the profits anywhere from 20 to 100%. But that is the trading strategy. How does he identify the trades? Well, basically there's a couple of indicators Larry identifies here. Now I'm not going to go deep into this. If you want to go deep, I suggest you read the blueprint, but in a nutshell, without sort of going too deep in this, he uses various indicators, and you don't really need to fully understand it because, Larry's going to give you the trades anyway. He does all the work for you. But if you want to sort of do this on your own at some point, it's useful to know. So there's a couple of indicators Larry uses. He uses something called the RSI index. He uses moving averages. He uses trading volume. These are the kind of three strategies he uses or indicators to basically spot when a trade is going to move in a certain direction, so he can plan an options trade, whether the prices of a stock is going up or down. And basically, Larry is a mean reversion trader. So essentially what that means is when a stock is either oversold in one direction or undersold, typically a stock price will snap back in the opposite direction, whether it's going up or going down. And this gives mean reversion traders like Larry opportunities to skim profits from the stock price move. And like I said, if he thinks the stock price is going to shoot up in price, he'll buy a call. If it's going to fall, he's going to buy a put option. And that is really the Skim trade blueprint in a nutshell. Now, if you want to go deeper in this, I highly advise you read his Skim trade blueprint. And you're probably, just very quick, you're probably wondering, well, what kind of stocks do we trade? And just to be clear here, you're not buying and holding stocks. You're buying an options contract. You'll buy an options contract for a premium, which is the price per share. Each options contract controls 100 shares, so you'll pay a premium, which is the price for taking the option out. And you also profit when you sell that option back to the market by collecting more premium than you paid to take out the option. That is really how it works. And basically, the types of stocks you'll buy using options, ones like Tesla, oil stocks, energy stocks, all kinds of different, house building stocks, ETFs. There's loads of different stocks Larry can trade depending on what is happening in the market any one time. What Larry does is he focuses on one stock every month to trade, and he capitalizes on it. You might get one trade a month, or you might get multiple trades a month, depending on how volatile that stock is. And that is really the Skim trade blueprint in a nutshell. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to give you an example of a buy and sell alert. So basically, here's an example of a trade alert Larry's put out. So basically, he's going to open an options trade position in the United States Neutral Gas Fund, UNG. So basically, this is what you've got to understand is buying to open the UNG April 17th 10 call. So it's a call option for £3.30 per share. So this is the premium you pay to take out an option. Like I said, there's 100 shares in an options contract. So you multiply this number by 100. So to take out this options trade is going to cost $330 or less. This is the maximum price to pay per share in an options contract. So this is the ticker. This is something called the expiration date. So an option will always have an expiration date where if you don't basically exercise the option will expire worthless. This is the strike price. So the strike price is the price Larry is expecting the stock to exceed by April 17th. If $10 is surpassed or exceeded before April 17th, you're in the money and you can sell this options contract for a profit. So hopefully that makes sense. So that is really the trade alert. That is basically all you need to do when placing these trades is open up your favorite broker, whether it's Tasty Trade, Robinhood, or something else. Look for the stock, go to the options list and find this options trade, and you will place the trade in less than 1 minute. So let me just show you an example of the sell alert. So this is one of it. This is a trade Larry open and close. I think it happened recently. So this was a trade in the United States Oil Fund, USO, and the profit of this stock was 27% gain. So in any of Larry's trades, you'll be making anywhere from 20% to 100% plus, depending on the stock and the trade. And Larry is on an 80% win streak this year. He's on an amazing run. It's been an incredible year for Larry because the market's been quite volatile. So 80% of the time, if you do Larry's trades, you'll be winning. Now, you're not going to win every trade. It's impossible to do that. Even the best traders don't win every time. But if you're winning more than 50% of the trades, you're going to be making some nice, juicy profits. And this is an example of a winning trade. So let me just show you around the members area. So this is the members area for One Ticker Trader. Issues and updates. So this is where you get all of the options buy and sell alerts. Plus you get Ask Larry Anything, which is Larry's monthly newsletter, where he answers your questions and gives market appraisals. So this is gold here. If you want to stay up to date with the markets and stay ahead of the markets, you want to read his Ask Larry Anything, special reports. I've read that. So this is basically Larry's strategy for trading different stocks in different markets. The Skim Trade Blueprint, which is his foundational blueprint, how to trade energy stocks, gold, how to the AI Hype Spike calendar, where basically AI stocks make moves, give specific days of when AI stocks are going to most likely make a move, how to trade, the complete guide for trading AI's most exciting stocks, how to trade cryptos, and many, many more. And you get all of these absolutely free when you join One Ticker Trader. You've got the portfolio of open positions, and you've got foundational videos to bring you up to speed of basically how to trade options. So there you go. They take about... It'll probably take you a couple of hours to go through sort of go through, these videos. But once you go through these videos, you'll be brought right up to speed so you can start placing Larry's trades. So that is One Ticker Trader. Myself, I've been a member of One Ticker Trader since 2022. I love the service. I've placed many winning trades with Larry. Now, you're not going to become a millionaire with this. The whole point of the service is to top up your retirement account. Rather than using the old buy and hold strategy, you're basically taking advantage of market volatility and trading volatile stocks so you can profit whether a stock goes up or basically goes down. And yeah, you can use it to make regular monthly income or to top up your retirement account. And I've placed many winning trades with Larry. And yeah, I do many of Larry's trades, and I love the service. Rated 5 out of 5. It's the number one options trading or trading advisory out there. I can't recommend it highly enough. So if you want to join, there's a link in the comment description. Below, where you can join for $19. Get all of his special reports for free. $19 locks your membership in for 1 year. And you get a 30-day money-back guarantee as well. So if you want to join, link in the comment description below. Anyway, that is what I've got for you. Hope you have a great Christmas and New Year, and happy trading for 2026 if you decide to join One Ticker Trader. Thanks for joining me, and I'll speak to you soon.